everyone, it's me Shubhangi. So in this video, as you have seen the thumbnail, we are going to make a very interesting project in this class, which is Let's Start project. Its name is Let's Start. So let's get started. So just open the scratch.mit.edu. Okay, just open it. Just go on create and it will just automatically open it. So it's just creating a project. It will take a while to open. Yeah. Yeah, and after that, see, we just need to put in backdrop of stage. Let's see if I'm getting. We just need to scroll down. You will get this one. So I think we should choose this one, and there will be some more. You can choose any. I think this will look perfect. Yeah. And now just remove this cat. So let's take in ballerina for dancing project. And just go to the costumes. You can see it has having so many costumes, so we can use this. Okay, so see, when my run, when run will be hit, then just go to, so see, go to 15x position and 0y position, and after that forever, just wait for 5 seconds, change its costume. Yeah, just take this block 3 more times. Yeah, I think we just need it 3 more times. So let's take it. After that, the switching part, just put it like this. Okay, and after that, see, it should be just waited for 5 seconds. Yeah, and after that, see, it should be switched by B, then C, and then D. So I think we are needed to remove this order. Yeah, and after that it will be gone to once again ballerina and it will do a dance, I can say. So let's reset and run it and see. Yeah, so it's just waiting for 5 seconds. So I think we should do it a little bit fast. In 1 second we should do it. So you can see this project is looking now fabulous and you can just rename the project. So its name is Let's Dance Project. And this project you can also share me. I have just made it something in your Discord channel, the link. So you can just just send your projects, and these projects link will be also send it at the Discord channel. So for the project links also you have to join the Discord channel. Okay. So this was the project of it, and you can also play a sound. It will create more nice project. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any suggestions then please tell me in the comments or in the Discord channel. I'm available at both. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video then please do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and bye bye.